here to celebrate the gift of God and marking this accreditation of Langsa Hill Higher Secondary School, high school to higher secondary school. And as I said, I take this privilege with the hope and with belief that this institute will be the center of excellence in days to come. God bless.
Respected chairperson of today's program, our very respected Reverend M. Jamnu, our CES and our ministers of our program today, pastors from Lamong Sianga, from Doi Mai, which I will notice, a very respected chairman of the school, Mr. K. Wangshim, who is the director of social welfare and the chairman of the school, his God-fearing lady wife, Anna here, the elders and leaders of Lamong Sianga village, the party leaders present here, my respect to the department officials who are here with us, the teachers and the staff of the Langsa Higher Secondary School, the students of the school, parents, and my dear friends. I would like to congratulate the successful past students of the school this year, and I'm informed and told that it has been last 10 years that we have seen a very good results from this very school. And then I totally disagree with the chairman remarks saying that Lamong Sianga is a small and tiny village. Last time when I went to attend the service of Lamong Sianga, I also mentioned the same thing. They always think that they are the smallest village in the constituency. They are the smallest village in Mon district. Nah, but I used to tell them, I don't think Lamong Sianga is a small village. It is one of the biggest village in Mon district, where we have officers, we have doctors. What do we don't have here? We have everything. And then I also heard just now that the students come from 39 villages, which means it's like as large as 39 villages. So a big congratulations to the school. I'm so proud and happy, and always thankful to the school chairman, who had a vision and dream to start this kind of school education institute. There are so many options. There are so many, we can venture out. I know he has the capabilities, capacities, everything to start off any business he wanted to. But when he offered a school to invest in such kind of school and institution, I think nothing is noblest than this kind of venture. So I thank and once again congratulate our chairman and all the school board members, the teachers and staff for having and working hard to produce the results that we have seen even this year too. So once again, I'm sharing my happiness, my brightness, my proudness with the school authority and with the students. And in fact, in a very small, span of time, we can see the growth of the school. Be it in the infrastructures, be it everything, extra curriculums, the activities. In a short span of time, we have seen an immense growth in this very school, in various parameters. In fact, very quietly, silently, steadily, exact like our chairman's character. That's what I've been noticing. It is growing now, but without a sound, without a noise. That's what I can see. So happy about it. he was saying in his speech, I'm sure this school will be the center of excellence. We'll all hope and pray for the school, for the management board, and in fact, this is not possible without the cooperation of village public, village elders. With their support, this is growing and it will grow. In fact, God has really been with our Mr. God has really been with our children in his life, in his career, and in his activities. That's what I used to notice. When he was mentioning, he mentioned my name in the process of the upgradation. In fact, I met Honorable CM with a picture of the school saying that the school have applied for the upgradation. If you can also help us. So when I met Honorable CM, I had a point. Honorable CM was here at this very stage during my by-election, So I have shown to our Honorable Chief Minister, this is a school that you have visited. And this is a building that you have given a speech. So I'm mentioning about this school. If you can help me, if you can process it, consider it for upgradation. He was very happy. Oh yes, that is the school. And he was so excited. So in that, even there, God has been with us, right? Because Honorable CM was here. I can, request him. I didn't have any problem requesting him. I didn't have any problem to show the pictures. Even in that case, God has been with us. So it is done, and happy about it. In reality, government education institution, in Nagaland forms 70% of all institutions in the state. Yet, they serve only 30 to 33% of the total students. We have thousands of schools, institutions, but the government schools serve only 30 to 33% of the total students. And the rest of the percentage comes from the private school, private institutes. This is the reality of the contribution of the private school in Nagaland. In fact, private schools that are unnecessary, needless to say, the contribution of the private school in the growth of the education sector in Nagaland. Even in the results, we have seen the vast percentage of the private schools, the contribution to the growth of and the producing the excellent students, toppers from the private schools. So, in fact, maximum, as I was saying, only 30% from the state, from the government schools, the rest is from the government and private schools. Is what the statistics say about the contribution in the educational sectors. And I'm also proud to say that this Langsar Higher Secondary School will be the first higher secondary, I think in our constituency, this is the first higher secondary. So this is also one of the added feather in our constituency, so I'm happy to be the one gracing this occasion, happily joining the celebration of these school upgradations.